Hey, my name's Dennis and I run Builder Brigade. I'm not a home builder, I'm a homeowner. And when I was having my house built, I thought I had it all figured out because I have a little bit of a construction background. I used to frame houses years ago. So when they started, breaking ground on my house, I thought, oh man, this is gonna be a breeze. And then I started realizing, man, there's a lot of things going wrong on this job that if you don't have a little bit of a construction background or just basic knowledge, you could really get taken advantage of. And after starting my Facebook group, I realized a lot of people are. So I put all my time and energy into making resources for homeowners so they have everything that they need to help them along the home building process. So I have a free private Facebook group that you can join and bounce your ideas off of when you're having your house built. There's contractors and builders in there as well. I sell a checklist that compiles everything that you need during the planning phase of the home building process to help you kind of get a good vision that you can give to your builder. It's also broken down into phases of construction, so as your house is being built, you can follow along and make sure everything is getting hit along the way. And I also post social media videos, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So if you or anyone you know is planning on building a house soon or in the middle of building a house, head over to builderbrigade.com and I'll do everything I can to help out.